So what's going on with the gang? Coming back at y'all with another one of these famous videos. So as y'all can see, if y'all wondering, why does this dude got two transmissions? This was the transmission that I had rebuilt. It's a 4060, but come to find out, it's like a 95, somewhere around there. So basically, it's like it's similar to a $700 Ford. So if you know anybody who in need of one of those, please let me know. I got the receipts and everything showing that it's been rebuilt. It haven't been installed or nothing. Throw me an offer. Y'all know how much it costs to get a transmission rebuilt. So just throw me a reasonable offer and you can take it. Simple as that to get it out of my way. I went and got this one a few minutes ago and got it dialed up and dialed in. That was my first time putting the tranny on and first time putting the stall converter in. I hope I did it right. It popped in 3 times. Got it lined up on the dials. This was the first bolt I put in to hold it. I'm missing one bolt on the other side. I can't find it, but I got to get up out of here and go take care of my son. But yeah, I'm gonna have this thing done. I just had to go ahead and update y'all and let y'all know what's been going on since yesterday. Told y'all I got to get this truck running, so I came over here early this morning trying to put in some work. So this time the motor and the tranny going in, so it should be a little bit easier. But we're gonna put this thing up in here either later today, no later than tomorrow morning. This thing should be back in here and bolted in. We're gonna get the dry line all put back in. And then I'm gonna have Corey to come over here and put the floor shifter in for me. This the truck shifter. We got that. Dang, I got a brain fart. The coil packs, we got that. And then we got the hood. So we're gonna have him to put that type of stuff on. Well, as far as I could put the hood and the bumper and stuff on, but we're gonna have him to put the floor shift in because I don't know how to do that part. That's kind of too advanced for you, boy. But we're gonna do that. Then after we put that in, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to hook this up, the wire on harness, but we gotta put this stuff on first though. We gotta put that on. This the 460 cross member. Then we got this. We got the adjusting shock absorber. We got the shocks. We got that. We got to put those on. And the traction bars, the grill, the bumper, and the roll pan, and then the hood. And then we got to put the headers on also. Oh, speaking of headers, before this motor go back in, glad I just reminded myself, we have to take this Jeep stern shift back out because the driver's side header, it hits it, so there's no way you could do it. So I'm thinking it has to go in between or something like that. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we can't do it with the motor sitting in there. So since it's back out, we got to take this back off. I've never done that. My boy Ricky came and did it. So we're gonna try to figure it out today. Hopefully today, but if not, tomorrow. But keep rocking. We're gonna get this thing pumping and jumping real soon. Real soon, she gonna be pumping and jumping.